Hey, everybody out there struggling to put your LED lights in right the first time on your, I got a 2004 Dodge Ram, but this is probably going to go for many years, across many years, as far as how to get them in right the first time without jumping through hoops of reinstalling the dash or finding the right pin out on the back of the connectors here to light it up. What I did and what I'm doing right now is I put in all the LEDs, and of course half of them worked, half of them didn't. So how am I going to do this without busting my ass? On the original lights, if you look, this thing will focus, but anyway, you can see there's two contacts, your positive, your negative. So you just put in all your LEDs, put in one of the original lights, and then use a battery with the hot wire into the ground, or you can just use something taped together, however you want to do it. And you touch this positive, negative until whichever ones light up, and the ones that light up are good, and the ones that don't light up need to be changed around. And that's how I'm doing my LEDs, to make sure they all light up the first time. And then as far as doing the last one, I'll just change out another bulb and verify that that one works when it's in correctly. So, simple way to do it without trying to figure out, what the pinouts are on the back to try and light them all up through the connector, or, plugging it in, because if you've taken it out, or if you haven't taken it out yet, it's not the easiest thing, and you don't want to be putting it in and out just to try and figure out which lights are lighting or not lighting. Anyway, hope that helps. Have a good day.